Now, after the 10-day-long festival, the vibrant and emotional Ganpati Visarjan is taking place across India. In Mumbai, the spirit of devotion has essentially transformed the city into a sea of faith and festivity. Lakhs of devotees have filled the streets singing, dancing, chanting as they bid a heartfelt farewell to their beloved Bappa. Now, the city's most iconic idols are beginning their long processions towards Girgaon Chowpatty beach. This is where the Visarjan is taking place amid massive crowds and tight security as well. We're getting you visuals, in fact, of Visarjan taking place at Girgaon Chowpatty right now. You can see how the atmosphere is charged with energy. Dhol tasha beats, thunder through the streets. Clouds of gulal paint the air in vibrant hues, and the chants, of course, of Ganpati Bappa Moria echo from every direction. In fact, from children to the elderly, families, crowded balconies, terraces and also roadside corners, just to catch that one final glimpse of their beloved Bappa. In fact, neither heavy rains nor bomb threats could dampen the spirit of celebrations. When we talk about numbers here, by 9 p.m. yesterday, more than 18,000 Ganesh idols had already been immersed, and in fact, even today morning, the Visarjan continues to take place across several areas, and this is despite traffic snarls, tight security and long hours on the road. Processions continue to be carried on with devotees determined to bid farewell to Bappa this time with full devotion. In fact, it's not just the financial capital. From Pune to Nasik, Nagpur to Kolhapur, processions have been sweeping through towns and villages across Maharashtra. Remember, Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated as the festival of new beginnings, wisdom, and in fact, Ganesh, the Lord Ganesh being as the remover of obstacles. The festival is now concluding with unmatched devotion and faith on display. We're getting you visuals of how the processions are being carried on to water bodies, in fact. Now, as the chants of Ganpati Bappa Moria grow louder, devotees carry forward not just the emotion of farewell, but also the joyous promise of welcoming Bappa next year again, in fact, with greater joy and love. We're getting you visuals right now on your screen, in fact, processions being carried out. This is as streets of Mumbai have essentially turned into a sea of devotees, all gathered to bid farewell to their beloved Bappa. Now, these are visuals from Pune. In fact, as I mentioned, it is not just Mumbai which has been painted in this color of red. It's across Maharashtra we are getting such visuals, and this is from Pune, where again devotees are out on the streets. They are bidding farewell to their beloved Bappa, all visibly emotional, and of course also with the promise of welcoming him again next year with even greater joy and love. You can see how the processions are accompanied by all music, chants and even performances. getting you visuals, in fact, from across Maharashtra. Right now, visuals on your screen are from Mumbai. You can see the colors of devotion on display as the streets in the city now turn into a sea of devotion. Thousands have gathered to bid farewell to Ganpati Bappa. Remember, this marks the conclusion of the 11-day festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. And of course, the Visarjans are now taking place across India. Especially, you can see the fervor and the devotion on display across Maharashtra. Remember, devotees are, they're battling rain, they're battling bomb threats, and still braving all of that, they're coming out to celebrate this festival, to bid farewell to their Bappa. You can see, in fact, the devotion, the emotions on display. When we talk about numbers, as of yesterday, 9 p.m., 18,000 idols had been submerged, and this is just from Mumbai. You can see how, a series of idols being taken into water bodies. This, in fact, is from Mumbai. They're being taken to Girgaon Chowpatty. They're going to be submerged as the devotees bid farewell to their Bappa. This essentially marks the conclusion of the festival. But of course, the devotees are not just bidding farewell, they're also promising to welcome him next year with more love and joy. These are visuals from Mumbai right now on your screen. This as lakhs of devotees, they fill the streets of the city, singing, dancing, chanting as they bid farewell to their beloved Bappa. Clearly see as how the atmosphere is charged with energy. Dhol tasha beats, thunder in fact going through the streets. This is, as you can see, devotees are even playing with gulal, and the processions being carried out amid chants of Ganpati Bappa Moria. You can see it's an emotional time for devotees as well as the bidding farewell to Ganpati Bappa, but at the same time they're promising to welcome him next year. And this comes after a 10-day long festival. Celebrations have been carried out throughout the last 10 days, and today marks the Visarjan, essentially the conclusion of the festival. In fact, when we talk about this festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, it is celebrated as the festival of new beginnings, so wisdom. And of course, Lord Ganesh is regarded as the remover of festival in Hindu traditions. And now the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, you can see how it's getting concluded with unmatched devotion and faith.